Happy Azadi, everyone. We have collaborated at LADIESFUND with both Coca-Cola and Igloo. So check out, we have some pista and vanilla ice cream. And we also have these frosted glasses and frosted Coca-Cola because we are ready to make the Coca-Cola float. Now this, you would think is a recipe we keep very secret, but we like to share the love. So come join us. So first we take our frosted glass. Don't keep it in the freezer for more than 10 minutes. And we are going to take some Coca-Cola syrup. Did you know there was such a thing as Coca-Cola syrup? It's pretty cool. And I know that you want to use it for your cocktails and mocktails and so forth, but we are going to decorate our glass with it. Now, many of you are far more artistic than I am, and you might have the nice syrup spout, but we're going to see what we do is just make a fun design of nothing. It can just be dots. Why don't we do that? It's easier. So we're going to make some dots. Now, much of the syrup is just going to the bottom. I agree. But the dots are looking kind of cool. But the key for this is a very hot syrup and a room temperature syrup, but Karachi heat as such. So we're going to just put it down for a second and just play around with these dots. Look, a spiral is taking place. It's kind of cool, kind of simplistic, but if you're more artistic, you can make it more gorgeous. But I think it's kind of cool, don't you think? Now what we do with this spiral is we put it back in the freezer. And the key is chilling. But this time we're going to chill it sideways because we don't want to lose that design. So now we have chilled it. Keep it 10 minutes like that. So we have taken out our frozen Coca-Cola syrup in the glass. And now check it out. Even if I could, I would have waited 20 more minutes because it will be even better. But look, I love the way the cool dots are. Now we're going to take the next step, which is ice cream. Now this one will probably taste better with vanilla ice cream, but we don't care. We're going to still start with the pistachio. So we've got it open at the same time. We've got this as water to take out 2 scoops. Now, this is 1 scoop. Let us perfect scoop. Okay, so that's 2 perfect scoops. And the first thing we've got to do is freeze this again, because the more it's frozen, the better the final result will be. And this time we're going to keep it smaller. Okay? So on the day of the party, you're never going to be able to refreeze this, but we've done so only because Karachi heat is so intense and you want to get that perfect shape of the rounds when you do this. Oh, in addition to the ice cream, do not forget our chilled Coca-Cola. So now this can is the secret to success. So first you have to open the can. And then when you pour it, you have to pour it at a tilt because the foam is the key. See all that foam coming? The foam is the key. Oh my God, it's got a life of its own. Do you see the Coca-Cola float? We're calling it the Pakistan float, and it is gorgeous. Is it not gorgeous? I'm too scared to drink it right now because it's all foam. Do you know it's not that much calories? Because actually the scoop sizes are small, and there's not even that much Coca-Cola because of all the foam. But isn't it great?